Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning on the Smart Sidebar so floating windows can be summoned instantly. Open Settings, go to Convenience Tools, then enable Smart Sidebar. This gives you the edge handle. Once done, make sure the apps you plan to use have Display over Other Apps permission so the system allows floating layers. You should also customize the sidebar list so your most used apps are one tap away. This reduces steps and makes floating windows practical rather than fiddly. With Smart Sidebar ready, open the app you want to float. Swipe the sidebar in, long press or drag the app icon and choose Floating Window. This launches the app in a movable overlay. You can resize the window by dragging corners and reposition it by grabbing the top handle. This keeps main screen content visible. Because floating windows run above other apps, you can reference content without switching tasks, which speeds up workflows and reduces interruptions. Finish by arranging and closing the floating window. Tap the X to close, or minimize it to a bubble for later recall. You can pin important windows so they remain on top while you interact with underlying apps. If the floating window won't open, check the app's Display over Other Apps permission and toggle Smart Sidebar off and on. A quick restart often clears permission glitches. If problems persist, remove the app from Sidebar, re-add it, and test again to restore normal behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.